Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to plant this beautiful clematis sunset in my front yard. I have got this clematis recently in this big pot. I think it's 17-18 centimeter deep pot, and this is really economical, really good deal I got for it. You can see it's already grown so big, at least 3 to 4 feet tall, and it needs to go in the ground. It has got really beautiful blooms on it. This is large flowered clematis, and it has showy red yellow centered flowers with purple highlights. I don't think it's quite red, it's more like pink with purple edges, and it blooms from late spring to early autumn, and it's a climber, so it needs support against a wall, pillars, pergolas, trellis, and in containers. So I have got a nice fence going in my front yard, and I'm going to plant it against that fence, so I think it will look absolutely beautiful there. This can grow for 2.4 meter to 1.8 meter tall and wide, which is 8 by 6 feet. It's quite enormous, and it can be planted in any location, south, west, east, and north facing. So where I'm going to plant it is southeast facing, so it gets good amount of morning sun. And here are some planting instructions and some care instructions. So I think it will look absolutely beautiful in my front yard, so I'm going to plant it. It's really beautiful. I'm loving it. So let's head to the front yard where I plant it, and you can watch me planting it. So as you can see, I'm done planting it in this gravel bed, and in the background it has got this lovely wall with a nice fence above it. I can train it up against this fence, and it can grow all over the fence, and I think it will look absolutely beautiful covering this fence with all these beautiful big blooms. And it took me quite a good time to dig the hole because the pot was really deep, like 18 centimeter deep, and the instructions said I needed to dig it deeper than the pot. So basically double the size of the pot, so I had to dig really deep, and I filled it with multipurpose compost and some fertilizer, which will help with drainage as well as will feed the plant so it can grow nicely and quickly for me. So I hope it does well in this pot. This pot gets like lots of morning sun and doubled afternoon sun, and this is a really good spot for growing these sort of plants like shrubs and vines. I have got some rose plants next to this vine, and they are doing really well. So I watered the plant afterwards, so it's really important to water the plant when you plant it afterwards. So soak it with good amount of water, so it will help the plant to establish quickly. And because these days we are having really nice sunny weather, I will keep watering it every day, and I will start fertilizing it as well. on a weekly schedule with a water soluble fertilizer, which really helps the young plants to establish quickly. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to stay updated about my future planting videos. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.